everyone, this is Jess with Rich-Tomkins, and I'm here today to show you some of the coolest innovation in the kitchen, and that is our hand washing mode with VoiceIQ by Delta Faucet. Now, more than ever, being hands-free is super important, and Delta has shown that innovation is top priority by enabling a hand washing mode with our VoiceIQ. This pairs with either Google Home or Alexa to make your faucet a smart kitchen faucet. Let me show you how it works. Simply say, "Okay Google, ask Delta Faucet to wash hands." The water will turn on and then turn off for a full 20 seconds so you can wash your hands, which is the exact amount that's recommended by the CDC. The water will then turn back on for you to rinse off, just enough amount of water, and you can then be done, completely hands-free. So stay tuned for our next episode. Look forward to showing you something awesome in the kitchen and bath.